Then a complete 180-degree turn looking out toward the tunnel. Above the tunnel, 2,000 metres, 6,500 feet to the top. By the 35k sign ahead of us, take a look either side of the road here. Big rocks on the road. Then we'll dump on the road and it'll be avalanche and just push them more off the road. So we'll continue right down the valley now, take the first valley off down here to the right hand side. The first valley on the right hand side. Intersect with the Cleardale River. Lead us right down to Milford. Once you cross the range of mountains down there at 11 o'clock to us now, on the far side that's the Arthur Valley. That's the Milford Trail, comes back down through